Stop. If you're thinking about buying Zen AI, there's something you need to know first. What if one AI could replace ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Canva, Midjourney, ClickFunnels, video creators, copywriters, coders, designers, and even entire teams? For less than the cost of a pizza? Sounds impossible. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what Zen AI is, what it can actually do, the pros, the cons, and whether it's worth your money or just another overhyped AI launch. And if you decide to pick up Zen AI after watching this review, make sure you use my link below because I've secured exclusive bonuses worth over $5,000 that are not available to the public. Let's dive in. What is Zen AI? Zen AI is an all-in-one AI platform powered by Is Zen AI's advanced GLM-5 reasoning engine. Instead of paying for multiple AI tools every month, Zen AI combines content creation, website building, AI images, AI videos, voiceovers, coding, presentations, eBooks, sales funnels, research reports, marketing content, and automation into one dashboard. The big claim? It can generate almost anything from a simple text prompt while eliminating expensive monthly subscriptions. Benefits: why people are interested. Creates websites, funnels and landing pages, generates AI images, thumbnails, logos and graphics, creates AI videos and voiceovers, writes emails, sales pages, blog posts and scripts. Builds apps and generates code, includes commercial rights and one-time payment instead of recurring fees. For entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, freelancers, content creators and agency owners. That's a pretty compelling offer. Inside Zen AI you'll find GLM-5 Premium AI Engine, AI Content Writer, AI Image Generator, AI Video Creator, Website and Funnel Builder, iCoding Assistant, Presentation Creator, eBook Generator, VoiceOver Studio, Research and Data Analysis Tools, Commercial License, and everything works from a cloud-based dashboard. No installation, no complicated setup. Just log in and start creating. Honest pros and cons. Now let's be honest. Pros: massive feature set, beginner-friendly, commercial license included, replaces multiple subscriptions, one-time pricing, and great for marketers and content creators. Cons: some claims may be aggressive marketing, results depend on how well you use prompts, not every output will be perfect on the first attempt, and advanced users may still prefer specialized tools for certain tasks. So it's not magic, but it can save a lot of time and money. Results: what to expect. If you're a content creator, expect faster content production. If you're an affiliate marketer, expect quicker funnel creation and marketing assets. If you're a freelancer, expect to complete projects significantly faster. Can it make you rich overnight? No, but can it help you work smarter and create more output in less time? Absolutely. And that's where the real value comes from. Now let's talk about the bonuses. Bonus 1 eBook Cash Bundle. Get access to over 2,000 premium eBooks that you can rebrand and sell as your own. This gives you a ready-made digital business almost instantly. Bonus 2 AI Domination, a complete A to Z AI training program. Learn automation, AI workflows, content creation, monetization strategies, and how to create new income streams using artificial intelligence. Plus 6 more bonuses. Total bonus value: over $5,000, yours free today if you grab Zen AI through my link. So, is Zen AI worth it? If you're currently paying monthly for multiple AI tools, then Zen AI is definitely worth considering. If you're expecting a magical push-button millionaire system, then no software can do that. If you want to check out Zen AI and claim all of my exclusive bonuses before they're gone, click the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.